Hello, this is Pastor Moses, Psychic for Lovers, and I'm going to do a combination 2-card reading for 3 questions. So here we go. The first question is from Angie, and she is in a master program, and she wants to know if she's going to get her master's degree. So the first card is the 8 of Swords, followed by the Hierophant. So what that tells me is that she's sticking to this program. It's not easy. It's confining her from things that she want to do. But she's determined to get this degree. And it shows me that she will get the degree. The Hierophant does show that she will accomplish her goal and get what she deserves. So the next question is from Donna. And Donna's in a weight loss competition. And she wants to know if she's going to win this weight loss competition. So let's see. We got the Ace of Pentacles. And we got the 9 of Pentacles. So the Ace of Pentacles tells me that there's a lot of money at stake. That she invested some money and then she can win a lot of money. With the 9 of Pentacles, that just tells me that she's going to win. She will lose the weight and she'll be the one that lose the most weight. And she's going to win all that money. So I have a new channel, Psychic for Lovers. It's spelled P-S-Y-C-H-I-C space 4, F-O-U-R, like the number 4, and space, Lovers, L-O-V-E-R-S. With this channel, I do weekly zodiac readings on all 12 zodiac signs. And I also compare them with a random zodiac sign for a love reading. So please like and subscribe and share my new channel. And the last question is from Teddy. And Teddy wants to know if him and his girlfriend will get back together. So we have the Queen of Pentacles. And we have the Chariot. So what this tells me is that she's an independent woman. She makes her own money. She doesn't really need anybody. So when I see the Chariot, it just tells me that she's conflicted. You know, she's thinking that there's a lot of good qualities in him and there's a lot of bad qualities. And she's conflicted with not knowing what she wants to do. It feels like she's leaning towards letting him go and not coming back because she is more independent and she doesn't really need the negativity in the relationship. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to go to my new channel and like and subscribe, Psychic for F-O-U-R Lovers.